So height I'm giving like 400 pixels. Okay. Now we'll run this one on the browser. Go to this browser. Okay, just reload this page. Now, okay. So we created this table here. Now I need to merge this. Okay, I need to merge this column towards this entire row. Okay. Now here. Okay. So e column we need to merge this one. Okay. So that we'll write here call span. You can number any really. పైన ఎన్ని TDs ఉన్నాయి so two TDs is you can write 2 here so that it will merge across this 2 when I'm taking one, two, three, four. Okay, 4 TDs. Same, you can make this one 2 more. Just add the count here 4. Now go to this browser, let's reload this page. Now I created this call span. Okay, so got it right.
Yes.
So next one is a row span. Okay, so row span is the one in order to merge the rows here. Okay, so how do we create this row spans? Row span, for row span, so let me copy this same table here, copy and I'll paste it there, height and width. So I'm taking 2 TDs. Okay, and next one I'm taking one more TD. Okay, and go to this browser. Let's reload this page. So here is a table we have. I need to merge this one. I need to merge these rows. So to merge these rows, so for second TR is here, right? So in that I'm just writing here row span 2. Okay, so that right is why it is not working. Now I'll do one thing. We'll paste it for this one here. Row span. Let's reload this page. It's working. Try to remove this one here. Just reload. Look at this. Okay, so we can merge these rows here, 2 rows. Now similarly, if you want to, sorry, similarly, if you want to add the multiple rows, okay, so this is one row, row 1, and row 1 ends here. Okay, similarly, if you want to make a different types of row span, you can copy this and you can paste it there. So that go to this browser, we'll create one more row span like this. Okay, so like this we'll create a row span in HTML. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can also create, using these tables, you can also create flags also. Okay, let me create Indian flag, create a new file. Now you can say the flag with flag.html. Using tables, we can also create a websites. Okay, now we'll use the divs here. Okay, using these tables also we'll create a web pages and different types of pages. Create new file and write some program. Indian flag. So I'm taking table here. For table tr equal to 1. Sorry, table border equal to 1. And write some width here, width 100%. So you can also give here 100% width, height like 6 or 800 pixels. So let me take here. So flag is a 3 rectangular box, right? One is TD. Same, I'll copy this one. I'll paste it here. Now go to this. So right click, open in default browser. Okay. So we created this. Let's make sure that 600. Okay. Now I created one table here. So I'll just apply some color for this. Style, background color, orange. Style, background color, green. Style, background color, orange. Sorry, white. Okay. So go to this browser, just reload this page. We created this Indian flag. Now let me remove this border. Okay. Now we'll place an image here. Ashoka Chakra. GIF PNG. Now we can save this image. Hash. So go to this, just add an image here. Image as.gif Ashoka Chakra. Okay. Now we'll add image, we'll add a width for this. Okay. For this one, setting this width 200 pixels. Okay. Now make it this center position. You just write here text align center. Okay. So it makes that text in the center position. So go to this. Let's reload this page. Okay. Now we need to set here height for this. Okay. So I'll set some height here. Height 200 pixels. Okay. Look at this. So we created this Indian flag. Okay. So using these tables, you can create this. Okay. And also you can also create a background images using these tables. So let me create background using table. Table.html. Background image. Let me create one table here. Okay, inside we'll take tr, td. So in td, I'm taking one h1. I'm just writing here. The nature. We'll take style tag. Take a table here. Okay, so just write some width 100%, height 600 pixels, background image, URL. Okay, I'll go to our source file. Second 2.png, and so go to this. So we'll run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. What happened? URL 2.png. Sorry, 2.jpg. Okay, so we'll place an image here. Now I'll just write background size cover. Okay, so I'll place an image here and the text is there, right? For h1, I write some font size 80 pixels, text align center in order to make this center position, and you can write this color white. So go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so I'll make like this using this tables. Next, let me create one table. Okay, so in the table tag, tr, let me copy this one. Okay, now for this table, you can also make this as a center align equal to center, which makes this table as a center position. I'll take some border here, border 1, and width 600 pixels, height I'm taking 600 pixels. Okay, now go to this browser, let's reload this page. See, this is a table we created here. Table, go there, just reload this page. And let's make it to 900. Okay, now this is the table we have. See, from very starting onwards, if you want to apply color for this one, we need to give entire row, or else we need to give different table cells as a color. Now, to avoid this one, we have a call group is there. Okay, so call group is a property in order to apply the columns. Okay, so same color for the different columns. Okay, we use this call group. Let me write here. Before that, in table we also have some name here. Okay, so we'll use a table name. First, let me explain this call group. So call group is a tag. So in this call group, we use this column tag. Okay, and we'll write the span here. How many columns you need to apply some color? Suppose I'm taking here 2. I'm just writing some style here. Style equal to background color. Okay, sky blue. Okay, and let me go to this browser, just reload this page. So it's just applicable for 2 columns. Okay, and remaining column is here, right? So for remaining columns, we'll just write one more call. Okay, span 1. We'll just write here style equal to background color orange. Okay, it's just applicable orange for this one. Okay, so like this, you can apply different colors for the columns. Okay, so this is a syntax for call group. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next and important one is nothing but inner tables. Okay, now we'll give some table name, caption, call group table. Go to this, just reload this page. Just add some captions for the table. Okay, so next thing is inner tables. Yeah. Can anyone tell me how many rows is there? How many columns is there?
4 rows,
Hmm.
5 columns.
So actually, we have only the 2 rows is there. Okay, okay, we have 2 rows. In this 2 rows, we have each row contain 2 TDs. Okay, let me design this one. So this is a inner table concept, little bit confusing. Okay, please listen carefully. Inner table dot html. Okay, so I'll give one assignment for you. So everybody please create 24 calendar. Okay, I'll give you the tasks. Okay, in the task group. Okay, so using this inner table concepts. Okay, inner table dot html. Just you can save this one. Let me create one table there. For table border equal to 1, height 500 pixels, width 600 pixels. Okay, now tr td td. Okay, we'll run this one on the browser. So we created this table here. Okay, now in first row again we have one table. Okay, how can you achieve this one? How can you achieve this one on the table?
Two rows.
Two rows.
2 rows.
And
What about remaining guys?
Yeah.
Vinay, Rakesh, Rajesh, Raju, Arun, speak up. Arun, how can you achieve this one? Arun, are you there? Arun, are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
How can you achieve this one?
Voice is not clear, so that's why you're not.
Okay, my voice is not clear.
And also my voice.
Okay.
Disturbance is this. That's why.
Okay. Rajesh, how can you achieve this one?
Two table rows.
Okay. Each row contain 1 TD.
One table.
Okay. See, how can you achieve this one? Again, you need to create one table here. So table border equal to 1 width. See, so this is a width, right? So here I'm taking 100% width, or else you can take here 200 pixels, height 200 pixels. Okay, so inside of that one we'll take this tr and td. Okay, sorry, we'll copy this one. We created one table here. Okay, so we'll run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. So this is a table we have. Okay, now we can cut this table. So this is a table. We can cut this table. We can paste it inside of td. Okay, so ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్టయితే ఈ టీడీలోనే కదా, ఈ ఫస్ట్ టీడీలోనే కదా we need to place this inner table. దీంట్లోనే కదా ఈ టేబుల్ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
this one is 3, this one is 4. Okay, in first TD. So here in first TD means this is the right, this one. So here we'll place this inner table. చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, చేసేటప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ రాదు మీకు. ఓకే, see, this is a inner table. I'll cut this, I'll paste it here. Okay, now go to this browser, let's reload this page. Look at this one. So I need to occupy this table entire TD. ఈ టేబుల్ అనేది ఎంటైర్ టీడీకి ఆక్యుపై అవ్వాలి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైట్ అండ్ విడ్త్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ parent? ఇదే కదా parent. What was the height and width here?
500,
600
600.
500.
Same, we'll give the same height and width for this one. 500, sorry, 600, height 500. Okay, so just occupy full width here. So instead of taking this 500, 600, he can give like 100%. He can give 100%. Okay, so this is also gives you the same output. Okay, and next thing, if you observe this one, now let me create one more table with this. Okay, it is in second TD, right? ఈ table explain చేస్తున్నాం. So how can you achieve this one? So how can you achieve this one? ఈ టేబుల్ ఎలా అచీవ్ అవుతారు?
We have to keep
One
in the
table
second
row,
column.
two table data.
To table data, the same thing. So this is for second inner table, right? Second inner table. Same table I'll copy here. We'll paste it there. Okay, so there we have only one row and two TDCs. Okay, go to this, let's trailer this page. So we'll place here. Next thing, we need to create for the third table data. We need to create, so two rows. Second row contain two TDs. So that is call span. We need to create like this. Okay, for third TD. Copy, you can paste it here. Okay, now I'll copy this one, we'll paste it here, TD. So here we will write call span 2. So this is third inner table. So go to this, let's reload this page. Okay, so like this you can create a inner table